Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today we're going to look at Coda.io, but it's specifically for doing project management stuff. So what is Coda.io? It's an all-in-one doc that's smart enough to manage entire projects. So if you're tired, juggling tools like Notion, Google Docs, and Trello, Coda might be your new favorite workspace, so let's get into it. So what is Coda here? Coda is a powerful document editor that blends text, spreadsheets, database, and apps all inside a single page. It's especially popular for project management because it lets you build custom workflows, dashboards, team hubs without writing any code. So the interface feels familiar, kind of looks like a mix of Google Docs and Airtable. You can drag and drop blocks here, so you can just drag and drop here like blocks, or you can make you can plus stuff here and just add them, so you can have a bullet list. It depends on what you want. So it's pretty good. It unlike traditional tools, Coda gives you full control to build and exactly what your project needs without jumping between apps. So here are some project management features that really stand out. You can add like Kanban boards here. So if you know how Trello works, you can add it here. I'm just gonna find it. I think it's called a board. There we go. So you have cards, board. So you can put a board here, and we're gonna start blank. So that's a board here. You can drag and drop task here, like done, black, or something like that. And there's also other. You can explore templates. Like meeting notes. You can drag meeting notes here. That's pretty cool. Two-way write-up, like a to-do list also. So you can just drag and drop stuff. So that's pretty cool. And there's also, you can explore more templates here. There's also building blocks here. Depends on what you want. And if this is not enough for you, there are some, pack integrations. So you can add, Gmail, Doc Explorer, Jira. And I mentioned earlier, you can add like Trello or like Google Docs and stuff like that. Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Figma if you're a software developer. So that's pretty cool. You can also show more. There's a lot of things they supported. So there's Google Translate if you want to translate or something like that. There's also GitLab by Coda himself. So yeah, guys. So there's also interactive buttons for workflows like marking it done, like hey done. That's pretty cool. So that's pretty good. There's also automation to send Slack updates or emails when tasks change. And let's talk about pricing within Coda. So Coda is a bit pricey, I guess, like, but it's okay. So it offers a generous free plan with core features and limited automation, and the pro plan starts at $10 a month, so not really that pricey, but it's pretty good. Great for solo users or small teams, and team and enterprise plans unlock with unlimited automation, advanced controls, and priority support. So it is priced competitively, and especially if you plan to build out full workflows using Coda.io. Now, use cases for Coda.io is Coda is perfect for project management, tracking sprints or launches, startup teams and building product roadmaps, agencies managing clients and deliverables, and students or creators organizing content and calendars, and basically anyone who wants flexible and collaborative project tracking. So if Coda isn't quite right for you, here are some solid alternatives. So you have Notion here. So Notion.so. I have a Notion here. It's pretty good. I like it because Notion has a sleek design, better for note taking and simple task tracking. There's also Airtable, which I mentioned earlier. We're just gonna type it right this time. So you have Airtable here. So they are using AI. So Airtable is great for spreadsheet style database with visual views. And if that's not for you, you can also check out ClickUp. So ClickUp is built specifically for task management and workflows. And last but not the least, you have Asana. Asana is pretty okay. Asana is popular for teams, and it's popular for needing structured tasks and goal tracking. Now, my conclusion here is that Coda at IO brings documents and project management together in a powerful way. If you're tired of stitching tools together, Coda can give you a single source of truth for your whole team. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity reviews. And comment below what kind of doc or project would you build in Coda. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye!